Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to look around this Cooper S convertible now, 25 plate, fully loaded, pearl paint, and we've certainly got the weather for it today. So let's get straight into it. Hello, and just have a look at this, guys. Cooper Works convertible 25 plate, finished in pearl mineral white. Now, we're not often graced with the sunshine, but today we are, and look at this, it absolutely pings. What a lovely example this is. The body styling, the wheels, the colour combination, it's outstanding throughout. Now let's tell you a little bit more about the extras on this vehicle. It has a full Cooper Works body styling, the diamond cut alloys, LED headlamps. Also has an electrically operated hood that can be open and closed via the key. Now let's take a look inside. Now there's no shortage of extras in the cabin here. This has the half leather heated seats, heated steering wheel with a John Cooper Works emblem. And we're just going to show you that new display on the newer version of the Mini there. The auto gear controls are operated from that little paddle there. Two extra seats in the rear there, finished in the leather also. And just coming out to the edge of the door, look at those John Cooper S Works entry plates. Well, this car has the head-up display, as you can see there, and also there's those diamond cut alloys. Now let's have a little look under the bonnet. This car is a CAT N. It did have mechanical damage, but it's all been professionally repaired now. Now if you're buying a damaged car, just check all the panels, the chassis legs, just check everything's bolted up nicely and not all bent and twisted. As you can see, this is super straight. These are just a few things to check when buying a damaged repaired car. Just check the headlamp brackets as well. Couple of other things to check if you're buying a damaged repaired car. Just check all the gaps are nice, all the panels meet up, the gaps are not enlarged or closed up. Just check all the door gaps as well. As you can see, these are all nice on this car. It's not had any body damage, but if you're buying one that has had a body damage repair, just check all those gaps are nice. And just check your paintwork on the panels. This is a pearl paint, absolutely stunning. The camera doesn't do it any justice. Now if the convertible's not your thing, let's have a look at the Cooper Works hardtop. This hardtop version 2575 reg has the full John Cooper Works styling. Now the Mini John Cooper Works is a skilled agile navigator. It thrives where space is limited and accuracy matters. If your mission calls for precision, this car can deliver it. It delivers sharp, precise steering with a confident balance. Now just taking a look around this, it's finished in chili red with a black roof with that Works styling kit. Really sets it off with those diamond cut alloys and a privacy glass in the rear. It also has the LED headlamps at the front there. This car's only covered 3,700 miles. Now let's take a look inside. And opening the door, you're greeted with those John Cooper S Works entry plates and those JCW seats, finished in half leather. Now moving into the centre there, that new display there, and the paddle for the auto gearbox, and there's those rear seats, half leather as well. And let's have a look at this John Cooper Works steering wheel. Now let's have a quick look in the boot, or the trunk if you're in the States. Quite a bit of space in here and a little bit of extra storage space under there. Now we're going to take this out for a little drive, guys, and we'll let you know what it's like. Okay guys, we'll go for a little spin in this and we'll see what it's like. Pulls okay, to be fair, it's only a little 1.5 this, so it's not going to break any records. This car's on a total of 3,700 miles. Drives absolutely faultless, this. If you like minis, this is the current shape. It's the newest model. It's got a nice half leather interior in here. Got the works body styling on this one as well. What a lovely little car this is. This is a CAT N, this one. Only had mechanical damage. Really good of Rich at 28 State to let us do a little review on some of the cars he's got in stock. This is a 75 plate, this one. Only low mileage. Drives exceptionally well. Gone through the same procedure as all his cars go through. They're all done and presented absolutely beautiful. If you are thinking of buying a salvage car, do your homework, do your checks. If you're unsure, take someone with you who knows exactly what they're doing. There's plenty of platforms you can check to see the cost of repair and stuff. Even a straight car, if it's had, well, I say a straight car, an unlisted car, if that's had or been subject to an insurance claim, it will now show that it's had a repair at some time and the cost of the repair. Now some of these, if they've been and sucked water up, it's only sucked water into the engine, it's not been wet inside this car at all. But the insurance won't take a gamble on that, and you can understand because they don't want to keep coming back to them, so obviously they'll give it a category and it's sold as salvage. So, but if you're not worried about that, and you can save yourself a lot of money by buying a CAT N, or if you really want a CAT S. So you've got CAT N, CAT S. Your CAT N is non-structural. Just bear with me, guys. Yeah, so your CAT N is a non-structural, your CAT S is structural. So if there's some suspension damage or chassis damage, it would normally be a CAT S. I'll just pop this window up. And the CAT N is non-structural. So the car drives, this car drives absolutely superb, faultless. It's just like a brand new car, to be fair. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Really appreciate the support. Please give us a like, please subscribe, check out our other videos, and we'll see you in the next one.